What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy, Hemi Life Trey. Back to you with another video, man. We about to put the 5 spokes on the whip. These ain't it. These the stock ones. They just got cap covers, but yeah, we at the shop right now. Here go the tires. Good 275, 40, 20s. All 4, all around. Brand new tires, man. Plugged in the city for real. Y'all know gang with me too, man. You know what? Good 5 spokes, man. Putting on a Charger. Ooh, wait, look at him. Oh my God, boy, got some 5 spokes. Quit playing. Finally got the 5 spokes on here, man. Woo-hoo. Hey, the Hemi coming together, man. Sorry for the wind. Feel me? The brand new tires. Just took the stickers off. Good 5 spokes. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We got a wrap coming real soon.
That's why everybody out in the field, in the parking lot? Yeah. Oh, okay.